Hello guys, my name is Haya and today we are going to do exercise 5.10 of chapter 5 from the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics 2nd edition book. So in the previous video we did exercise 5.9 in which we came to know that how to find the percentage decrease and percentage increase of any number. So in this video we are going to do exercise 5.10. The thing is same, but there's a little difference. The difference is that in the previous video the value decreased or increased and we need to find that percentage. But here they have given us the percentage, but we will be increasing or decreasing that number. In question 1 they have given us 40 and we need to increase this 40 by 10%. They have given us the percentage increase is 10 and we need to increase it by 10%. So first of all we need to know that what is the 10% of 40. We will have to find the 10% of 40 and we know that of is changed into multiplication sign. If you find that 10% of 40 means you will be multiplying 10% in 40, but you cannot simply multiply 10 into 40 and say 400. You need to remove this sign. As I said in earlier video, to remove it you will be dividing by 100. So here I have divided by 100, or you can simply multiply 1 by 100. What I did is 0 0 cut and 0 0 cut. 1 into 1 into 4 over 1, which is simply equal to 4, means that 10% of 40 is equal to 4. We need to increase 10% in 40, so 40 plus 10% means 40 plus 4, which is then equal to 44. So when we increase 10% in 40, the answer is 44. In question 2, they have given us increase 53 by, here as well we need to increase it, but in part C they have given us 13.6%. So you will be removing the point and then removing this. We will need to find out what is the 13.6% of 53 so that we can increase 53 by that percentage. We can add that percentage to 53. So for that reason 13.6% into 53, and we will change the point. We will remove the point and we will add 1, and 1 decimal place means 10 into 1 by 100, or you can simply write divide by 100. As you will do that, the number will be 136 into 53 and into 1. I just swapped them, it doesn't matter, by 10 into 100. So the number is, as we multiply these two, we get the product 7208 over 1000. Now you will be doing its cutting, you will be simplifying it, and as you simplify it you get 901 by 125, which cannot be simplified further, so you will be dividing it and you will get 7.208. Now you will be adding, means increasing 53 by 13.6%. so for increasing you will be adding its 13.6% to 53. So what is the 13.6% of 53? It's 7.208. So you'll be adding 7.208 to 53, which will then equal to 60.208. Means when you increase 53 by 13.6%, you get 60.208. Let's try a percentage decrease question. In question 4, they ask us that decrease 36.2 by 1 by 2%. So it's the same. We'll be multiplying 1 by 2 into 1 by 100 to change it into fraction. So here you need to decrease 36.2 by 1 by 2%. So you need to find the 1 by 2% of 36.2, means 1 by 2% of 36.2 means multiplying by 36.2 and changing this percentage sign into 1 by 100. Same case you will be doing all the simplifications and all the divisions, and then you will get 0.181, means 1 by 2 or 0.5% of 36.2 is 0.181. So now 36.2 minus 1 by 2%, because we are decreasing it, so minus 36.2 minus 0.181, which is equal to 36.019. You can do it by the help of calculator. So as we have some applying your skills question, they are the same, they are word problems, but the thing is the same. You need to increase the number by a specific percentage or decrease the number by a specific percentage, and they have given the percentages. So first question says Shajin usually works 30 hours per week but decides that he needs to increase this by 10% to be sure that he can save enough for a holiday. How many hours per week will Shajin need to work? So he usually works 30 hours and he need to increase it by 10%. So you'll be finding the 10% of 30 and then adding it to 30. It's the same as I told you earlier in this video. Second question is also same. They are adding 12% tax to a t-shirt which is of $12. So find out 12% of 12 and then add it to 12. And the other is the Euler Theatre steps up in its advertising campaign and manages to increase its audience by 23% during the year. Okay, so the people now are 21,300 and he is going to increase it by 23%. So we will be finding the 23% of this value and then adding it to this value. In question 8, they are saying that the population of an area is 153,000 and then due to a flood 17% of the residents of that area went away. So how many are left here? You will be subtracting 17% from 153,000. You will first find the 17% of 153,000 and then subtracting it. All the questions are same, that's why I am not solving them. I have already showed you that how to solve them. So you will be finding their percentage and then adding or subtracting them. Same case is in question 9 as well. And in question 9 they are saying that Anthea decides that she is watching too much television. If Anthea watched 12 hours of television in 1 week and then decreased this by 12% the next week, how much time did Anthea spend watching television in the second week? Give your answer in hours and minutes to the nearest minute. So let's solve this question now. Okay, so first of all, you will be changing 12 hours to minutes. How to change it? We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So to change 12 hours into minutes, you will be multiplying 12 to 60, which is 720. So 720 minutes. Now 12% of 720 minutes is 86.4 minutes. So now 720 minutes minus 86.4 minutes, which is equal to 633.6 minutes. We subtracted that because there is a percentage decrease in it. She decreased her watching time. Okay, so we got 633.6 minutes. This 0.6 represents some seconds. But here we don't have to write in seconds, we just need to give our answer in minutes and hours. So for that reason, you will be dividing this 633 over 60. You won't be dividing 633.6 because then you will get some seconds as well and it will get even more complex. So you will simply dividing 633 over 60, which will then give you 10.55. This 0.55 represents some minutes now. As the answer is given in hours, so this 0.55 represents minutes. When the answer was in minutes, the point was representing seconds. So you will be writing 10 hours and this 0.55 into 60. 0.55 of 60 minutes. So 0.55 of 60 is equal to 33. Means 33 minutes. 10 hours and 33 minutes is your answer. You will be multiplying it by 60 because we are saying 0.55 of 60. And we divided it by 60 here because we need to change it to hours. When we need to change it to minutes, we will be multiplying by 60. Thanks for watching. This was exercise 5.10 and we'll meet you in the next video. Subscribe and like for more videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz.